Out. Oh.
Just to there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Just walk to the...
Okay. Yes, a throw in. A throw in. A throw in.
Go in there.
No! No! I suck! I suck!
Walk in.
Ah! Take candy for a baby! Oh. Ah, that's some tough defense. Damn, what a nice catch. Let's kill a catch.
Got it. I got it.
Go, go, go. No, never mind.
Hip.
Oh. Ah! I love seeing him hustle though.
Not that fast today. Tim, you gotta move.
I gotta move. I gotta move. Oh, sorry! Oh my God!
Mike, cover Mike. Cover Mike.
Oh!
Open.
Whoa! Nasty!
Cover Mike. Cover Mike.
Come on, Mike! Open Mike!
Okay, you got it. Go as far as our.
Oh, I'm right behind you.
Yes.
Oh!
He's blinded.
He's blind with the sun! Sorry. Oh!
What do you think about our long field?
It's very long. Takes a while to get to the other end. Oh, wow.
Open Mike.
Open Mike. Oh, yeah, she caught it. We gotta get open Mike. Let's get the mighty one. Mighty one. Mighty one's on the run. Oh.
We got it.
Oh.
Nice catch, Mike.
Very nice. Good luck. What a toss. What a toss.
Good look. A little better. I think to our man, all right? Everybody else talking about it, like, how you're right there. You hit your arm, too.
I wouldn't look for that. I stopped looking for it.
That was good. Come on, Patrick.
Come on. Oh, oh, oh.
No problem.
Shit. Shit. I actually caught it. But, he's blocking me. He won't let me run. Oh, all to distract the defenders. Good luck. What, water break? Yeah.
Going easy on the sprints today.
Yeah. Okay, I'll stop trying to lead you by like a mile.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not going to put on that extra burst of speed.
I think you needed like 3 bursts.
That's true.
We need more speed.
Yes, I did.
Okay, Kim's gonna be the one running.
Okay, I'll do the sprint. I'll do the sprint.
All right. Okay.
Okay, all right, all right. I got the mighty one.
Okay.
Jenny! Wow! Defend from the backside. That's amazing.
Stairs.
Up.
Damn it. Shoot. I didn't get more on that.
Good run. Okay.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Boy.
Help! Joshua! Good curve.
You got it.
Joshua!
Whoa!
Well done.
That's a beautiful curve.
I don't know.
It was spot on though. He didn't have to move.
Yeah, but it was need to be a little faster.
No. If you're faster, you can outrun the wind.
I should have ran. Well, Kim said he's gonna run for all of us.
Okay, I'll run. Got it. I will run. That's the strategy. Run for the end zone. That was horrible.
Very nice. Tom Cross.
Oh.
There.
He's gonna cut.
He cuts. He faked me out. Oh.
Patrick.
Patrick.
Damn! What a D!
Look it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Whoa.
JD! Oh!
Nice.
No way. No way.
Beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
All gas.
Who's defending Wilkin? Okay. Oh, that should have been me. Wow. Defense is a tough business to be in. Oh, shoot.
Windmill.
All right, yeah, I got it.
Patrick, see Patrick. Give it
I'm not in yet. I don't think I'm in yet. Oh no. Oh, Janie's in. She's dangerous. Very good. Good play. Good play. She doesn't like it. It's so bright. Oh yeah. Oh shoot! I did not have enough ups. I nicked it. James, back up, James. James. Come back, Joshua. Come closer to me. There's a defender in the way.
No.
Oh, come on! That was so nasty.
Okay, yours.
Oh, okay. Excuse me, sir.
Hey!
Oh, what?
Sir.
Who's? Joshua! 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 Oh, oh man, killer! We got the point anyways. Yeah. Oh man. Oh.
We're talking strategy now.
Strategy.
To play like that.
Oh, right, yeah. Kim. Oh!
Hey.
Jin.
JD!
Oh, whoa.
Oh. Sorry, I was trying to lead you, but that was too much. Okay, you got Mike?
I got Mr. Anderson.
You got Thrower?
Yeah. I'm right behind Mr. Anderson. Wherever he prances, I shall follow. Yeshua, yes! Yeshua! Bring it in! Yeah, bring it in.
And Kim, give him a cross.
Okay, give him some room. Some cross. Oh! I got it. Got it. He can go backhand or forehand, you never know. Forehand or backhand. It's tricky. He's tricky.
Yo, come on.
Oh, come on, man. I'll use my legs too. I'll give you arm's length. Yeshua! No way!
Got it.
He was right here! Wowzers. Wow. Oh, he's got legs. I need to do more hiking then. Get more legs. Alright.